What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be hitting Orlando, Ace Cafe, Central Florida Z Club, the meet that they host every month with all the VQs, all the Infinities and Nissans. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like this video. Yes, sir. Out here, about to head to Central Florida Z Club Ace Cafe meet. We out here, just made it to Ace Cafe. You already know.
All right, here we go. This is a special request going out to the partner.
We here at the VQ meet. Shit. I'm Mikkel, where you at? Man, that bit floating.
Like a thief in the night. Yeah, like a thief in the night. Yeah. Deep in the night. Come out at the nighttime. She don't liquor, don't like being tipsy. She don't do the Henny, just white wine. I hop out, major pain, rockin' rest in peace to the pop, make me smoke. I'm real spin, like a thief in the night.
Black people dying, they want equal rights. White people want to get haircuts.
Man, it's dark as fuck over here. Man, this shit clean. Ooh. Another men's room.
Special request, thank you ladies, but I do got a glorious song.
A little Mazda out here. Nah, this bitch hard. 326 power wheels. Couple Subi boys out here too. shit, somebody came with the ZL1.
I was like, I'll be nice.
Infinity truck. We deep in Orlando tonight. Oh nah, R34 on the R33. Niggas out here in Orlando and shit doing some nonsense. Nah, we really out here on the birds. Oh yeah, we out. Oh shit! Oh look, dude! Nah, you bugging. We out here. Oh shit!
I rode like little fucking bikes in Utah.
There's a whole lamp on the floor.
Yo, who jumping that? Oh, shit. Nah, you a G. Nah, we riding. You riding. Oh shit. Let's go out.
Let's go to Washington.
Where the fuck is that?
You got GP?
What, GPS?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could.
You got phone? You got charge?
Yeah. Oh shit. So what we doing? What we doing, Hanno? We sliding on the birds. Oh shit. Oh shit. Static boy shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Static shit. We out here on the motherfucking bird over here at Ace Cafe sliding. He's sliding. Nah, we out here. Oh shit. Yeah, we out here. Oh nah. McLaren. Yeah, I know I had to rent it for Orlando. Now let me stop. This is what I'm riding on. McLaren. Oh nah, we in downtown by the club. We downtown with it. I had to slap somebody's bird. My shit died. We in downtown with it. I had to slap somebody's, but we outie. Fuck it. That nigga about to get macked off that shit. Hit the boys. Nah, we was really mobbing. Really mobbing. Well, made it home.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling foggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.